Welcome to the Willows, an active adult community in Woodstock. This home represents the homes in the community. The property sold in mid-June. We hope you will enjoy the tour of this one-level ranch condo. The open concept floor plan and high ceilings makes for a spacious home. An abundance of natural light is always a positive. The great room opens to the dining area and kitchen. The floor plan is perfect for entertaining family and friends. Note the lovely palladium window. There is ample wall space for artwork and furnishings. The dining area can be formal or casual. Create the lifestyle you want. Off the dining area is a comfortable sunroom with doors to create a private space. You can create a comfortable den or office here. The room can be arranged in numerous ways. The kitchen has outstanding features. There is plenty of workspace, a countertop breakfast bar, and 2 pantries. Entertaining family and friends is a breeze in this open kitchen. This large pantry is just off the kitchen. There is a second pantry next to the refrigerator. Off the hall to the garage, you have a generous laundry room. Take your time and look around. The hall seen in the right rear leads to the primary bedroom. The bedroom is oversized with tray ceiling and fan. The room will accommodate large furniture and sitting area. The spacious primary bath features dual sinks, tile floor, and linen closet. The oversized shower features dual shower heads and a generous bench. It's perfect for aging in place or washing the dog. This generous closet is what every woman dreams of. Nice size bedroom too. Hall bath. Bedroom 3 can be whatever you need. There is generous storage space in this oversized 2-car garage. The Willows Clubhouse is a great place to visit with other residents. Homeowners' fees cover yard and exterior maintenance of the house plus use of the clubhouse. Fees also cover water and sewer, trash pickup, termite bond, hazard insurance, and reserve funds. Join us most Fridays on the patio for fellowship. Come enjoy a simple lifestyle with friendly neighbors at the Willows.